Hi, I'm James Davey. In this short video, we're going to be finding out what breathing support means and how to do it. This is probably the most famous exercise of all. I call it the long hiss exercise, and I'm sure if you've ever done a warm-up in a choir, you will have done this exercise. Now, this is using the wall muscles, but to support, we need to create a situation where the muscles are working both to push the air out and to keep the rib cage nice and raised and open, so we can get the best out of our voices. So, what I'd like you to do is to put your hands back on your side again and walk your fingertips around to the middle of your back, just so that your fingertips touch. All right? And this time, as we do the long hiss, we're going to focus on what our fingers are doing. So we're going to blow out our stale air. We're then going to put our fingertips together. And then as we fill up with air, we're going to try and pull our fingertips apart. And as we then hiss the air out for, this time, 12 seconds, we're going to see if we can keep our fingers from coming back together again for the entire 12 seconds. So whilst our lungs are emptying of air and everything should be collapsing inwards, we're going to be fighting that with our muscles, trying to keep them outwards. Okay? And that's really where support comes in. Okay? So here we go. So fingertips at the ready, out with the stale air. Filling up for 4, 1, 2, pulling the fingers apart and hiss. And 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and relax. I'm going to do one more of these long hiss exercises, and this time at the end of the support, it's very important that we release. Otherwise, we would be exhausted as singers. So we're going to blow the air out. So there's nothing left inside. We pushed everything up and just let it drop. Good. And the heavier you let it drop, the faster the air will come in, the easier it will be. Let's try it one more time. Blowing the air out. And let it drop. Super. Okay. So we're going to hiss this time for 20 seconds. This will be a really good workout. And then drop. Good luck. So, out with your stale air. Filling up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Staying wide all the time. 9, 10, 11, and tall. 13, 14. Knees unlocked. 16, 17, 18, ready to release all that weight and go. And relax.